Hey, amazing teachers. Today, let's talk about an easy but powerful way to take PictureTalk to the next level by adding just a little ambiguity. Instead of showing an image and explaining everything, leave out one key detail and let students fill in the gaps. This tiny tweak forces students to think critically, make inferences, and engage at a much deeper level. For example, show a picture of a kid looking surprised in front of an empty plate. Instead of saying the dog ate his food, just ask, what do you think happened? Now students have to use context clues to guess. Was it a pet, a sibling, or something else entirely? That moment of uncertainty is where the real learning happens. Want another quick way to add this twist? Cover up part of the image before showing it to the class. If you're discussing daily routines, show a picture of a messy room but block out the clock. Ask students, what do you think this picture was taken? They'll have to use what they see, the light outside, the level of mess, or even the person's body language, to justify their answers. Another easy one, show a group of people reacting to something outside the image frame. Ask, what are they looking at? You'll be amazed at the creativity and engagement this sparks. The best part, this works in any language class, whether students are beginners or advanced. They'll naturally use the vocabulary they do know to explain what could be happening. And the more they think critically, the stronger their comprehension skills become. Try it tomorrow. It's a tiny shift that makes a huge difference. Now, want to see how your CI strategies stack up? Take our CI proficiency quiz at mm.us/CI quiz and get instant insights into where you stand.